In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zelle with First Financial Bank. By the end, you'll be ready to send and receive money quickly and securely right from your mobile banking app. Start by opening the First Financial Bank mobile app and signing in. Use your usual login credentials or your device's biometric sign-in if it's enabled. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably a trusted Wi-Fi network, to keep things smooth and secure while you set everything up. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update it first so all the latest features are available. Once you're in, head to the Payments and Transfers section. This is where all the money movement tools live, and you should see an option labeled Zelle. Tap that to begin. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling or checking under Transfers or Person-to-Person Payments. The exact placement can vary slightly by app version. You'll be prompted to review Zelle's terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them. They explain how Zelle works, typical transfer timing, limits, and important details about privacy and security. When you're comfortable with what's outlined there, accept the terms to continue. You'll need to agree to proceed with enrollment. Next, enter either your email address or your US mobile number to enroll. Choose the contact method you check most often because this is how people will find you on Zelle and how you'll receive alerts. Keep in mind that each email address or mobile number can be linked to only one bank account across the Zelle network. If the one you enter is already linked elsewhere, you may be asked if you want to move it to your First Financial Bank account. After submitting your information, confirm your details and complete verification. You'll typically receive a one-time code to the email or mobile number you provided. Enter that code to verify it's really you. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, check your spam or junk folder for email, or request a new code. Never share verification codes with anyone. Once verification is successful, you'll see a confirmation that your Zelle account is set up. From here, you can send or receive money using your chosen contact method. Always double-check recipient details before sending, as Zelle transfers are fast and often can't be cancelled once the recipient is enrolled. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and ready to use.